Hello guys and welcome to my new video. It's about what would happen if Native American people were never disturbed, or what inventions they made and what they have achieved. First of all, before Columbus reached slash discovered North and South America, American natives ruled the two continents. And even though European colonists said they weren't developed at all, they actually had incredible inventions and ideas. They had culture, religion, and were also interested in science. Popular Native American civilizations were the Maya, Inca, and the Aztecs, all in the Mesoamerican area. The Inuit were in North Canada. Of course, there were many more, but these were the main ones I learned in school. Agriculture. They knew which crops they had to place next to each other to increase soil fertility. In steep slopes, they used terracing, which made it easier to plant crops on mountains and hills. Inventions. They made a bunch of inventions, so I'm just going to talk about a few of them. First of all, they made several practical objects for transportation, like canoes and kayaks. As shelter, they used teepees, which were easy to transport. They also made snowshoes and parkas, which were cold weather jackets. In my opinion, the most important inventions were medicine related, because there were some tools that we still use in our modern society, such as early forms of pain relievers made from hollowed out bird bones that they used to kind of inject medicine into a wound. There was also sunscreen, oral contraceptives to prevent unwanted pregnancies, a type of syringe, as I said, um, and baby balls. Therefore, in my opinion, they were already incredibly civilized. So what would have happened if Columbus never discovered America? This question will probably never be fully answered, but it's still a pretty interesting thought, because Native Americans respected nature way more than the Europeans did at that time. The most probable result would be that America would have gotten colonized by a different explorer at a different time. But if that country that wants to colonize, that would have wanted theoretically to colonize these two continents, and it didn't have like a good army, then they would have probably ran into a wall, and the Aztecs, for example, the Mayas, the Incas, would have probably won and, yeah, conquered their own area again. But it's incredibly important to know that natives were incredibly developed, civilized, and had, yeah, culture and innovations, etc. So yeah, thanks so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.